Hey guys, it's your girl Ashley. If you're new to my channel, what is up? I know I'm looking real crazy right now. I think it's really funny too because when I think about like how I put the intro of me like full face and then like I jumped right into it and I look like very scary. Hi, what's good? Well, today I wanted to go ahead and play around with the James Charles palette. I've had this for a minute and I haven't really played too much with it, and like, why not? Let's just play. Let's play with makeup. Let's see what I come up with. Let's go. I know I'm looking real crazy right now, but I went ahead and I applied my base. So for my base, I'm using this P. Louise base, and this is in the color Rumor 02. So yeah, I'm looking real freaking crazy. With this M433 brush, I'm gonna use this color right here. I'm just gonna go in. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the crease as well as on the outer part, kind of creating a V. And we're just gonna be playful and see what happens. So today, me and my mom went to the grocery store, and I felt very guilty. Like I didn't want to go, but at the same time, like I wanted to go, but I was like scared. I mean, after hearing everything in the news, like I really don't want to go out, but we had to go to the grocery store. And I also had to go pick up my last paycheck. But I know that it's better if, you know, one family member just goes out and does all the errands. But my mom wanted to kind of go. Not really, but she kind of wanted to because last time I did it. And I needed to be there for support because my mom suffers from anxiety. And I just knew that with everything going on, she just needed me to be there, you know. But I was like having like a panic attack in the grocery store. I was just kind of like, I'm just like, I was like literally with the little cart, and whenever anybody would get near me, I started walking away, trying to like matrix the whole thing, like trying to make sure nobody gets near me, you know, kind of situation. It's just very scary out there. First, I thought it was going to be till, you know, April 19th, but now it says that it's going to be probably more like May. So, you know, at this point, it's just scary. But, you know, I guess I shouldn't maybe really talk about this since you're watching this video, maybe just trying to get away with about, you know, what's going on. But I feel like we can relate, we can talk, right? Like I really want to interact with you guys, and I love when you guys comment down below and we get to chit chat and, you know, all that stuff. Definitely getting like witch vibes right now, but I'm gonna go in with this E27 brush. It doesn't have any color. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend a little bit the edges before I apply any other color. Now with this JH32 brush, I'm going to grab this color right here. The reason why I choose this brush is because the bristles are just a little bit longer, and like the way that it's going to apply, it's going to be more fluffy than packed on, so I'm able to very lightly diffuse and add color. So I already diffused the purple, and in itself it started giving me like a transition shade of like a pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go over this here to blend. Every single time I film, I feel like the paletero man tries to come here, like he's just trying to get a free promotion, girl. So I'm going to go back with the M433 and that purple, and I'm just going to go ahead and focus this on the outer part as well as a little bit more on the crease, but trying to stay more on the low side than going up. I decided to do my eyeshadow first because I thought there would be fallout, but as of right now, I don't see any. So, okay, Jamie, I see you. I see you, Mr. James Charles. With this JH37 brush, I'm going to go ahead and grab this color right here. Now, it's all on the tip of the brush. I'm just going to go ahead and apply this. How do you even explain this? Kind of like on the crease and then the outer part, but I'm trying to like make this color kind of like shine through. So like mix these two. I wanted to use this palette because I've had it for a minute, And the other day, I was seeing my friend. His name is Billy Lamore. I gave you a shout out. He does amazing drag and he does amazing wigs. You should definitely go ahead and check him out on Instagram. He's amazing. He did a Instagram live. He was getting ready for a photo shoot for his wigs, and he used the James Charles palette. And I was like, oh my god, I have that. I haven't used it in so long. So I decided to, grab this baby to create this look today. You know what time it is? It's concealer time. So I'm going to go ahead and use this Luxie small shader brush, which is a concealer brush basically. And the concealer that I'm using right now is the Benefit Boing Cakeless Concealer. And this is in the shade number 2. Hello? Now the camera wants to just focus on my eyes, which I appreciate at times. But yes, I'm just going to go ahead and grab some of this. And I'm just going to start to clean up the eyelid area because I need it to be clean so that the shade can really pop, honey. But oh my god, these two shades though, look at that, it's beautiful. It's like an amazing like berry. Oh my god, I just love it so much. I kind of was just gonna leave it that way, but I was like, nah, let's play a little bit more. I don't want this to end just yet. Have you guys been playing with makeup at home? What are you doing to keep yourself, entertained? Those who have kids, how are y'all doing? I know it must be a little hard for you guys, but at the same time, it's kind of nice to just be with family in these hard times. So back with the JH37 brush, whatever's left on the brush, which is that like berry color, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend here, making sure I don't have any harsh lines. But I'm obsessed with the way this purple and that berry look together. Oh my god, it looks so good. I was gonna go ahead and put this color right here, but I decided that I'm just gonna be playful and go with this orange right here. Okay, I'm a little scared because I don't know how it's gonna look, but fuck it, let's just do it. Just gonna tap this on. Okay. She said hi. Did you ask for color today? Because you're getting it in a full plate. And you might get dessert too. So back with the JH37 brush, I grabbed a little bit more of that berry color. And I'm just going to go ahead and use that to blend right here. Back with the M433 brush and a little bit of that purple. I'm just going to make sure to go over the outer part of the eye and a little bit on the crease. Back with the JH32 brush and a little bit of that color that I use for my transition shade. I'm just going to go over it again. Want to add a little bit more color. Sorry, my phone is blowing up. Don't they know I'm filming right now? Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and finish this eye. I'm going to put some foundation, concealer, contour. Girl, I'm going to make myself look alive. And then I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back and I feel like I officially made myself look like a chola. Don't judge me. My eyebrows are not even. I mean, my whole body isn't even. So let me just keep it real. But let's go ahead and do the inner corner highlight right now. You guys can see now that I have like foundation and everything, I feel like the look looks a little bit more like manageable, versus like when I didn't have any makeup on the face, then the eyes just looked very crazy. Now with this brush here, this is the JH42 brush. Camarita, pon atención, por favor. Hello, okay, that one. And I'm gonna go in with this eyeshadow right here. So this is actually the eyeshadow that I was gonna be putting all over the lid if the camera decides to focus. Yeah, this one. I was gonna put that one all over the lid and I was gonna be very like, cool glam, but I wanted to be playful today. And I'm just gonna put this right here. A little highlight moment. So now with this M149 brush, it's a very small detailed brush. It has a little bit of like that berry color. So it's the one that looks like sangria. I'm going to be putting this on the lower lashes to connect and smoke it out. With the same brush, I'm going to grab the purple shade and I'm just going to go over the lower lashes as well. So mixing those two colors together to get a good smoky under eye. With this M506 brush, I'm just going to go ahead and use this to buff underneath the eyes. It doesn't have any color, but I just want to make sure that it doesn't look as blunt, but it looks more like just smoked out, more blended. I'm going to go ahead and put this MAC eyeliner on my waterline, but only on the bottom lash line. Now this is in the shade NC15/NW20. That's literally what it says. So I'm assuming that's just the name of it. For lashes, I'm going to be applying these. I honestly do not know where I got these from. So this is the final look. Girl, this look looks so good. And I'm giving you some shoulders. I'm wearing my sports bra. I was too lazy to actually change and obviously too lazy to do my hair. But here we are with this adventurous artistic look. I'm actually really happy that I stick to the orange instead of like doing like a shimmery shade. Just because I feel like, you know, shimmer shame is glamorous and I just want to do something a little bit more artistic and fun with color, and I'm actually really happy with the way that this turned out. What do you guys think? Comment down below. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, hit that bell button to get notified whenever I upload new videos, because trust me, you do not want to miss out on my next tutorial or my next video, whatever I decide to upload. But make sure to comment down below, let me know what kind of video you guys want me to film, what palette I should use next, what colors, all that stuff. I'd love to interact with you guys. Let me know how you guys are doing. I hope you guys are all, you know, being being safe and practicing, you know, social distancing. And I know that it's really hard right now, but you know, we're all in this together. We're all, you know, human beings, and we're all gonna try to, you know, move forward from this. But yeah, I really hope you guys are doing okay. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I post little previews of what I'm filming and all the goody good stuff. Also, hit me up on, you know, Instagram. Right now with everything that's going on, if you're feeling some type of way, if you just need someone to talk to, hit me up on that. And follow me on TikTok. I might be posting some videos. Alright, I'm done. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.